Today, let's see how to create a microbit counter. So let's get started. To create a microbit counter, we'll need to declare a new variable. We'll call it count. We'll set the value of count to 0 in the beginning of the program. Set count to 0 and display it using show number block. Show number count. We want the microbit to count in the ascending order when button A is pressed and to count in the descending order when button B is pressed. For this, we'll use on button press block. Drag and place the change count by 1 onto the button A block and display it. Similarly for button B, this time we'll change the count by -1. On shaking the microbit, we'll reset the counter. For this, we should use on shake block and set the value of count to 0. Display number count. The code is now complete. Let's take a look at the preview. Enjoy this project. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.